Happy International Women's Day, everyone. I am a proud feminist and am proud to lead a team of lots of wonderful women here in Team Future Generations. And it's so important that we're thinking about the theme of International Women's Day today, Better the Balance, because when we have gender balance across our public appointments, across our democracies, across our organisations at all levels, we get better decisions. We'll get better decisions now, and really crucially, we need to have those better decisions for the future.
When women have equality, it shows that they're not just like housewives. They can achieve the same things that men can achieve.
When I'm older, I want to be a politician because some people think it's a man's job, but anyone can do it, and I want to be a woman at the table.
If we think about some of the big challenges that women have always faced, so the struggle to juggle work and family life, issues around equal pay and progression in the workforce, gender stereotyping, some of those challenges will continue to exist, but they will change. The way we live and work will change. We know that we have a hugely increasing ageing population, and so that sandwich generation of women caring for children and older people, there's every chance that that will increase, and so we need to be sharing that burden and sharing those opportunities equally.
Mae bwysig y menywod cael cydraddoldeb oherwydd mae hyn bod yn byd ble mae pawb gyda'r un hawliau a dylai menywod cael cyfraniad mewn hynny.
I hope that women could be more successful and do more things that men do.
We also need to think about how the world of work is changing and how that's going to impact on women. Automation could provide some significant opportunities, but it could also provide some significant challenges if we're not thinking about it in a gendered way. We need to be thinking about the sorts of skills we need for the future. And actually, when we look at those skills, we're talking about the STEM subjects and tech, but actually some of the key things that we're going to need for the future are skills around empathy, emotional intelligence, creativity, and if my team is anything to go by, I know that they've got that in absolute oodles. So there's some real opportunities for women in the future if we choose to think about the way we're forming our society and taking decisions now to make sure that everyone can play a full part in Wales in 2019 and in 2039.